Welcome and good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with lesson number 2.4. It is a poem. How doth the little busy bee? Doth is a old usage word in place of do. So, how do the little busy bee? So, let's see. There are two poems in one. So, first we will going to read about the poem of busy bee. Let's recite the poem first. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads her wax, and labor hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. And the poem is written by Isaac Watts. So, in this first stanza, the poet is telling that how do the little busy bee is very busy, we don't know. She improve each shining hour and gather the honey from every opening flower. The second stanza, the poet is telling how skillfully she builds her cell. You have learned in third standard how they are making the hive. Yes, the home of the bees are called hives. They build their hives very skillfully. There are lots of cells in their hive, and she spread her wax very neatly and cleanly and labor hard to store it well, and she worked very hard to store the honey in that cells with the sweet food she makes, and the sweet food she makes from that flower, she kept it under the cells which she makes in the hive. Okay, now see the next poem. How doth the little crocodile improves his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale. Nile is the name of a specific river, so it is used in place of a river. Okay, so in this poem, it is a parody. I am going to explain you what is parody also, but before that let me explain the stanza. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? The crocodile is very happy when it is in the water. He improves his shining tail by pouring the water on every scale of his body. How cheerfully he seems to grin. Green means very happy. How neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes with gently smiling jaws. Lewis Carroll is the poet of this poem. So in this stanza, the poet is telling he looks very happy when he opens his jaws for the little fishes in his smiling jaws. You can see in the picture. So it looks very green. It looks very happy. Now, what is parody? Parody is a playful comic imitation or a copy of writer's style. So in this, we are having two stories. So keep learning. Bye bye.